know they're gonna use you. Sign up.
Probably Typhoon. Okay.
One of the best bosses I've ever had.
I'll use the. I can use Typhoon email. So we are under Poltergeist out in Six Flags Fiesta Texas. This is the maintenance track right here. This is a limb coaster. So here's the launch right here.
Right.
Brake blocks.
Really good guys.
This is my very first roller coaster. So this is my very first roller coaster I ever rode. I love it.
Yep. I mean,
Pneumatic accumulator or a hydraulic accumulator. It looks pneumatic. Pneumatic air chamber for the brakes. Proximity sensors right there. You got a proximity sensor. This is cool. So this is for the brake check right here, for the brake set. It's an absolute tangle of steel. Look at this. Absolute tangle of steel. That's pretty cool. All right. Well, this is I like to tell everybody, this is my very first roller coaster I ever rode. At least as a full-size roller coaster. This was so amazing, and because it was a limb coaster, I was not expecting it. Of course, know a little bit more about limb coasters now. This one was built in 1999. It is from Premier Attractions. Look at that launch. Look how long that launch is. But this is a really amazing ride, by the way. Lots of twists, a lot of turns, a lot of hairpin turns. Let's see. There's a couple of inversions, right? And then I don't think there's any corkscrews in this one. Like, I'm not a super roller coaster identifier, so I don't know all the parts, but this is a cool ride. It was repainted 2 years ago, if I'm not mistaken, or last year, something like that. The colors look amazing. I've always liked this. I've always liked lime green. It's amazing. So cool, so cool. Oh look, there's a proximity sensor right there. That's pretty cool. Check this out.
You're doing what I'm doing.
Yeah. Oh, is this a small lift hill? Oh yeah, it is a lift hill. That's cool. Cool. All right, we are doing the hilltop tour. I think they call it Whitewater Bay. That's what that's called. I'll have to look that up. I'll put it in the. But we're at the top of Fiesta Texas now. Look at this. All right, check this out. I'm breathing hard. We just went up a crazy hill. Whew. But that is the top. That's the main lift hill and main drop for the Iron Rattler. Now I'm old enough to been able to ride the original Rattler when it was all 100% wood. And in the quarry, it went like 10, not 10, maybe like 6 circles around in the quarry. Pretty cool. Yeah, that's awesome. Very cool. I haven't seen the train running. I'm pretty sure it's on. I'm gonna look on my phone here in a second. But I thought the IRAT was running this morning, today. So where I'm here with the Golden Ticket Award with Amusement magazine, I believe. That's a natural drop, and that's a good drop too. Oh wait, that might be the one coming back up this way. I don't remember. What a cool view. Isn't that crazy? So when I was younger, if I'm not mistaken, inside the middle of the quarry, it would go in these big circles. Anybody that's ridden the original Rattler, you can correct me if I'm wrong on that. Man. So last time I rode this one was in October. Was it October? It was November of last year. It was amazing. So good. It was the first time I got to ride it. Okay, here comes a car or a train. I missed it on the lift hill. Look how hard this turn is. Yes. Awesome. That's great.
What goes on at the top of the hill?
At the top up there, that's all pyro.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Whose office is up there? Really
No one offices? That'd be where I office.
I would love my office up there, but not during like lightning.
There's the
storms or
Superman
anything.
over there.
Terrifying.
You can control the fountain, the water feed.
I want to hear that. That's pretty cool.
Ruin the magic.
So they're only running one train on IRAT today, so it's a little slow on the load up. But we should get a pretty cool shot when they do make their way around. Okay, we're at the top of the lift hill right there, I think. There we are. Wow. Oh, is your creek? That's awesome. Basically the top of the park. Alright, check this out. So, see the sensors on this side, sensors on this side. So what that's set up for is if you have another, I believe the way it works, if you have another boat already on the lift hill, it'll stop the conveyor right there. It'll stop the conveyor right here and then wait for it to clear. Then it can go up the lift hill because you don't want to time it where they fall on top of each other. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Okay, we are finally in line for Poltergeist.
That's more my issue. But like, if
I was pretty lucky. We just had some few beers and dinner and lunch really, with some high profile guys from ProSlide. So they're actually pretty fun. And I've known one of them for a few years. I've known another one for a few years, and the other one was really awesome. So we had a good time. Yeah, we're about to ride Poltergeist. Like I said earlier, my Poltergeist is the first roller coaster I ever rode, and I haven't rode this one in probably 15 years. It's been a long time since I've been able to ride this ride, so pretty excited that I finally get to come back to my roots and ride the Poltergeist. All right, about to get on Dr. Diabolical's. This will be my first time riding this one. If you don't know much about it, look it up. It's gonna be an awesome ride. Yeah, buddy. All right, just got finished riding Dr. Diabolical. Man, it was amazing. That drop, awesome. Say again?